Want to connect Odoo with Shopify? Let me show you how step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning how to integrate Odoo with Shopify the easy way. First, go to Odoo website and log in. Once you are in, open a new tab and search Odoo Shopify connector like this, and you will see a link to Odoo App Store. Click on it. And you find this official connector app made just for this integration. It cost around $467.95. So check the price carefully. Then you can add to cart and install it when ready. It works on odoo.ch and on premises as well. It's very flexible, and you can also live preview to see how the app looks in your system before you install it. So, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like the video if helped, and subscribe for more simple tech guides, and I will see you in the next video.